Hi everyone, let's get started with some more Heggerty exercises. Today we're going to start with nonsense words. All of these words are going to be, things you could do at school. So if you're at school, you can read. Sometimes you cite, write. You don't, count. You sock, talk. Good. It's important that you disen, listen. We gare, share. We especially like to flay, play. We learn to stel, spell, and we do our very best work. Good job. Let's listen for beginning sounds now. I'm going to say 3 words. You'll repeat them, and then together we'll make the beginning sound. Me, mom, make. No, nice, new. Pack, peck, put. Quack, quick, quit. Room, ran, rice. Sip, sell, sing. Top, talk, to. Van, vest, vase. Good job. Now we're going to move on to blending syllables. So I will give you the 2 parts of the word. You'll repeat those, and then we'll blend the word together. Here we go. After. After. Artist. Artist. Stormy. Stormy. Tickle. Tickle. Habit. Habit. Cartoon. Cartoon. Market. Market. Wiggle. Wiggle. Broken. Broken. Ticklish. Ticklish. Good job. All right, now we're going to listen for ending sounds. I'll say 2 words and you repeat those 2 words, and then together we can make the ending sound. Dress, class. Paint, point. Charge, page. J. 6, mix. X. Fuzz, is. Z. Robe, gab. B. Hid, bed. D. Cough, wife. bag, leg. G, give, love. Good job. All right, now we're going to segment syllables. So I will give you the word, you'll repeat the word, and then I want you to clap it to hear the two syllables. The word is necklace. The word is dimple. The word is final. The word is polish. The word is about. The word is polite. The word is decide. The word is vanish. The word is spinner. And the word is elect. Good job. I'm sure that part probably feels a little bit easy because we do that every day when we talk about the month. Now we're going to substitute syllables. So we'll start with a two-syllable word, and then I'll give you a new word to replace the first syllable. Here we go. The word is jumping. Change jump to pick. Picking. The word is picking. Change pick to fish. Fishing. The word is fishing. Change fish to kick. Kicking. The word is kicking. Change kick to pack. Packing. The word is packing. Change pack to jump. Jumping. Good. Now we're going to add syllables. So we'll start with one syllable word and we'll add a second syllable to the end. The word is rain. Add ing to the end. Raining. The word is storm. Add ing to the end. Storming. The word is snow. Add ing to the end. Snowing. The word is hail. Add ing to the end. Hailing. The word is freeze. Add ing to the end. Freezing. Okay, last syllable exercise, we're going to delete syllables. So we'll start with a two-syllable word and delete the second syllable. The word is melted. Without the ed, the word is melt. The word is twisted. Without ed, the word is twist. The word is planted. Without ed, the word is plant. The word is lifted. Without ed, the word is lift. The word is rented. Without ed, the word is rent. Good job. Last exercise, we're going to count words in spoken sentences. So yesterday we talked about, to make it a little bit easier, you can pound your fist in your palm to kind of feel each word. So if it says the thunder is so loud, you might say the thunder is so loud. Or you could clap it. First sentence, my jacket is green. And that was 4. Our classroom is big. 4 again. Your joke makes me laugh. This one was 5. Do you ride on the bus? That one was 6. The sunshine feels warm. And that last one was 4. Nice job today, everyone.